Sentence. Going to. I'm going to go to now the beach of Cancun. You are going to buy a new car. I'm going to study at Javerian University. You are going to hold the inauguration event. My mom is going to make cake for my marriage. Will. Who will be the guest of the event? Will I wear a long dress or a short dress? It will be that Santiago attended the dinner. I will download the music for the party. I will take the dog for a walk to the park. Much. I do not have much money to buy clothes. The art book does not have much information, just images. I do not have much money to ice cream, not eat much sweet. My aunt does not have much water in the thermos. Many. I did not see many people in the park. You think there are many stores in the mall. There are so many fishes in the sea. Here are not many balls on the court. There are not many people studying psychology. How will the psychological development of children change in 50 years? In 50 years, the psychological development of children will be slower because all their psychomotor actions will be replaced by applications and machines that will do everything for them. They will no longer use their thinking nor their processing of information. All these actions will be executed by the machine's futurists. Will technology affect the psychological development of children? The influence of technology and its rapid advance in the development of the child in clouds and in screens, in the psychological and behavioral disorders that the educational and health system are used, beginning to discover and of course to know yet understand. How many years will technology take to affect the psychological development of children? Technology will be the most outsourced tool for children in their development. Science in the instance, their natural learning makes them addicted and misfits the proper functioning on their brain. I consider that 50 years will pass no more for the technology to have a radical influence on the development of children. Thank you.